This channel made me over $20,000 last month, and the best part, almost everything was created with AI. In this video I will give you a complete plan how you can fully use AI to take over this type of channel for your own niche. So let's get started. But first the niche. And this is where things gets important. 90% of all YouTube channels gets failed because of the niche alone. These most common reasons are too little relevance, too much competition, or the niche only lives off a short trend. So make sure your niche is always evergreen, meaning people will always be searching for it, because that's the only way to generate passive clicks. For example, good niches are celebrity news, politics or health. If you picked a niche, let's move on to the video production. We will start it directly with the script. For the script, I would use Poppy AI. This AI tool is currently the best on the market. You can train the AI with valuable tips on good YouTube scripts by copying videos from YouTube and dragging them into the text field. After that, you simply take other videos from your competitors on the topic you want to create a script about, add now a few personalized points the way you like, and the AI will generate personalized YouTube scripts for you based on your requirements. Link to the tool is in the description. Now let's move on to the voiceover. Here you use 11 Labs. With it you can clone your own voice so it sounds almost identical, or you can use already generated AI voices that sounds very realistic. This way you save a lot of money. Link to the tool is also in the video description. Next comes is the editing, and here is where it's getting interesting. Use Pictory. This tool is actually the only one that can generate complete videos with effects and subtitles based on a voiceover. Myself, I have already uploaded several videos on my faceless channels by using this AI tool. Link to the tool again is in the description. So the editing is done and we have now completed the hardest part of the video. Now the only thing missing is the thumbnail. And here comes my secret tip. Use the AI pickles. You will find the link to the tool in the description. With it you can create high quality thumbnails just by using simple prompts and text inputs, and they look similar to these from Mr. Beast. And now we have created an entire video using only AI, and that's how easy it is. Now you know how to outsource the entire video production completely to AI, but to actually reach over $20,000 per month, something is still missing, and for that there are also AI tools that can help you to explode your channel beyond just video production. Use Wheter to analyze your competitions and to find good video topics. In addition, you can also generate very strong keywords there, ones that are currently being searched for a lot of on YouTube. And don't forget to use RapidText.io before uploading your videos. This free AI generator will always create the latest text with high search volume for you. Just type your video title and the AI will instantly generate several powerful texts. But that's not at all. You can also earn money besides YouTube AdSense. By the way, that's the money you earn on YouTube when you post videos. You can make also hundreds to even $1,000, and that's called affiliate marketing. But before I explain how you can money with affiliate marketing and AI videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel for free. It's just one click, but a huge support for me. Thanks to everyone. If you remember the beginning of this video, I mentioned several times that you should post in niches with high RPMs. And what do all high RPM niches have in common? That's right, a community of people who are willing to spend a lot of money. So by promoting products that you either use yourself or would recommend it to others, you can advertise them in your videos and earn passive income through a personal link. So in this video you have learned how to use AI to create complete videos, how to successfully build a faceless channel with AI tools, and how to earn additional money through external methods, creating a strong cash flow, all powered by AI. In my next video I will show you a currently unknown niche that is making creator $1,000 right now with just one single video. So make sure to subscribe my channel now so you don't miss it. Also don't forget to like this video if you enjoy this free value, and download all the AI tools from today's video in the description. See you in the next video.